solution must be in a chamber and have capture. It will reduce the CSC effect in the nature and the slurry out of which we can improve the soil, earth soil health. And as of now, 2019, Government of India has introduced other program under which 5,000 CBG project were introduced to establish all over across the nation. The policy come into the force and all the states comprehensively state and starting to establish a CBG project to capture the biomass as a feedstock like paddy, press mud and other many agri waste. Resulted that as of 2016, the India is producing a handsome capacity of CBG in tune of gas and it is being consumed by the many consumers in India. Now the rest is waste of slurry which is by number of producers of CBG are turning into now the opportunities with the help of the government and the other private players. And it is the exactly time we all has come to on a single platform to produce rich manures and other innovative goods from the bio discharge of these CBG projects. Because nowadays these are not in numbers, but as a program of the Government of India, when it is done into the 5,000, huge slurry will be there, and if it is not treated in a manner, and it is again trouble, on which we are talking since morning. Please.
So, as Lalit rightly pointed out, that so many CBG plants are coming up in India, and they are taking care well of the agricultural waste available, which can be processed over there. Methane can be taken out, and it can be used in the industry for power generation as well as other applications. But at the same time, when he said that so much of slurry is coming out of these CBG plants, but what to do with that? If it is not taken handled properly, it is again contributing to the waste. So, with the help of solid liquid separation machines, it is being separated into solid part and the liquid part, almost in every CBG plant, where the solid part is converted into fertilizer or it is being used for some other applications, which are for several new innovations are coming up every day. But the problem comes when we handle the liquid part, because the quantum is huge and people are not able to find the way out for this right now, and because of which it is creating a lot of problem. If we go to any CBG plant in India, almost every CBG, I will not name anything, but yes, at most of the places we will find large pool of water available all around the plants, and the methane gas is popping out of the plants, and it is creating problem for everybody. So we need to address this. So as we have said, the solid part is utilized to some extent, but the liquid part is polluting the land and groundwater at large. Because when it is left into open ponds, it is going into underground and polluting the underground water. So the way forward to which we are working to find the way out to make best use of this digested slurry, identify their other industries where it can be used in the best manner, and develop products according to them. So one such step what we have taken is utilize this digested slurry to develop organic fertilizers like FOM, LFOM and FCO standards and bioleather. Here the word FCO standard is very important because many biogas CBG plants, it is being solidified and it is being packed and being sold. But actually it has to meet the FCO standards which need to be maintained, and for that we have taken a turn. So not only the solid portion but the liquid portion we have converted into a gold mine, and we are trying to turn that system in this industry. If we see the chemical fertilizers, although I need not say, if we have been using, India has been using chemical fertilizers for past several years, because of which the soil is degenerating, its fertility, water ground and water table is getting polluted, health hazards are and the input costs are increasing to handle them. But when we use organic fertilizers, of course, the key requirement is that we have to give back to the nature. We have to make the whatever land we are extracting, we are using it. We have to give back to the to the soil. We have to nurture it again and make it good so that it can take care of us in its own way. So when we are using the organic fertilizer,